Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Speak English with Arpita. After a long time I am making this type of videos. So I hope you will be watching this video till the end and you will understand all the things whatever I will be going to speak right now. So when we learn English, so what is the mistake we do? First, learning grammar rules, which I have already discussed so many times. Grammar you have already learned in your school times. Now you can just revise them, but no need to cram those grammar rules again while you want to learn or improve your spoken English. Okay, I mean the verbal part. No need to go for grammar rules now. Go for listening, speaking, reading, writing. If you can't do writing, okay, fair enough. But if you can do writing, then it's great. So listening, speaking, reading, writing, I am assuming that you are doing. So these things are still not enough. Two more things which you guys don't do, I have noticed. So what are those two things? First is you are not regular. You will be telling me, ma'am, yes, I am doing the LSRW rule. But sometimes I don't get time. Sometimes I am busy with my office work. Sometimes I am busy with my exams and so on and so forth. That's the reason you are not regular. 7 days only, in a week there are 7 days, okay. So every day you need to do the 4 things. Even if you fail to the listening part, let's say listening part is for 30 minutes. If you do the listening for 15 minutes, okay, and the speaking is for 1 hour, try to do it for 30 minutes, but at least do it, at least be regular, okay. Let's say today you have exam. That's the reason today you are not able to do for 1 hour speaking practice. At least do for 20 minutes, but don't avoid this. At least do it for some minutes, okay. Why I am saying so? Because I want to give you one example. So when you want to plant a tree, so first you what you do? First you sow the seeds, then you give some water to the plant. Then after 1 day, I mean the second day, what you can see? Can you see a plant has grown or can you see a tree has grown? Second day? No, right? Second day you can't see any results. But it is having some results which you can't see, but it is having. That's the reason after 1 week you can see some roots are coming. Right? It has shown or it has some results after second day. That's the reason after 1 week you can see some roots are just growing. So similarly is for English also. Second day after practicing for 1 day, then second day you can't see any improvement in yourself, but you are improving. After 7 days you can see little bit change in yourself. Just compare yourself like a plant. Think that you are growing slowly. Learning any new skill also is also same like that, okay. So today maybe you will be improving this much, very minute, right? You can't see properly. Then after 1 month this much, then after 6 months this much, then after 1 year this much change you can see in your level of speaking. So another example I want to give, if you just water the plant only for 1 day and third day you do, then after 1 week again you are doing, the plant will dry, eventually it will die. So same goes for English also. If you skip continuously the practice, then you will just forget the flow. Again you have to start it from first day. So guys, at least do everyday practice. If not possible for 1 hour, at least do 20 minutes. But don't avoid completely, okay. So this thing you have understood, practicing regularly practice is needed, number 1. Now number 2, you don't make a copy. Yes, while you are learning anything, you need to make a copy. So imagine that you are pronouncing status as status you are pronouncing. You are not aware of that. You are just every day you are pronouncing status only. But one day when you are doing the listening practice, when you are watching some videos, one speaker has spoke like he or she will be speaking status. So you will be thinking, why status? I speak as status. So am I wrong or right? So this question need to be arised. Whether you are right or wrong, simply don't blindly follow that person. Simply don't trust that person. If you are pronouncing people as people, like that, pupil, whatever, and if you see another person speaking something else, so a question will be arised. You need to arise one question. A question should be arised. You should not blind that person completely. So now you see that person is pronouncing status as status. So what you will do now? You are confused. You have no one to ask for that, whether the pronunciation is correct or not. No, you have someone, which is Google, which is search on Google pronunciation of status. Just write it. Then you can see what is the pronunciation. Just play that. So after that you will think that okay, I know that. No, that's not the end. You need to write it. That is what I was telling, to make one notebook. Write number 1, status on brackets pronunciation. Write it on the brackets, otherwise you would forget after some days that why you have written status. So write that mistake. What is the mistake? Spelling mistake or pronunciation mistake? Write it on the brackets. You have written like this only. When you listen, if you see that, let's say another example, if you say people says instead of saying people say, so you have been speaking this only people says, but you are again seeing someone who is saying people say. So again go to that friend, which is Google, and search the meaning of that and write it on the notebook. So after writing all the things and all whatever mistake you were doing, try to revise that mistake at night and in the morning. As soon as you get up in the morning, have a glance of whatever mistake you have done so far. Look to that mistake, and at night also you look, night and in the morning. Do this 2 steps, regular practice and correcting your mistake by making a notebook. And do let me know after 1 month, have you seen any improvement or not? I can guarantee you that you will see improvement. Yes, you will see. My students have seen, who are sincere, I have seen. It's from my own experience. You do it and you will also see. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you understood it very well. If you have any friend who is also facing the same problem or any difficulty, forward this video, share with your friends and family and support me. Thank you so much. See you all again soon. Bye-bye.